Consider this. How can one ensure the pursuit of knowledge in social sciences does not compromise the dignity, autonomy, or well-being of those involved? This question underscores the significance of ethics in social sciences, a field dedicated to understanding human behavior and societal dynamics. At the core of ethical considerations lies the principle of informed consent. It is a cornerstone in upholding the autonomy and dignity of research participants. Before involving individuals in studies, social scientists must ensure they are fully aware of the research purpose, potential risks, and benefits. This way, participants can make voluntary decisions about their involvement. A second principle, confidentiality, is key to building trust in research. It involves safeguarding the identities and personal information of those involved in studies. By adopting anonymization and secure data storage practices, researchers can protect the privacy of individuals. The third principle, beneficence, emphasizes the duty of social scientists to maximize benefits and minimize harm. It calls for a thoughtful balance between the potential positive and negative impacts of research on both participants and society. Next in line is the principle of integrity in reporting. Researchers must uphold honesty and accuracy in reporting their findings, even when the results challenge preconceived notions or defy expectations. This transparency ensures the integrity of the research process and allows for the reproducibility of studies by other scholars. Lastly, the principle of avoidance of harm requires social scientists to prevent harm to individuals or groups participating in research. This involves anticipating potential risks, minimizing any negative consequences, and taking prompt action to rectify any unintended harm that may occur. However, the application of these principles is not without challenges. For instance, the diversity of cultures and belief systems necessitates cultural sensitivity in research. Recognizing and respecting cultural nuances helps researchers avoid imposing their cultural perspectives onto others, thus ensuring ethical studies within various cultural contexts. Additionally, power dynamics in the research process can lead to ethical quandaries. Recognizing and mitigating power imbalances, particularly when working with vulnerable populations, is crucial to ensure equitable and respectful research practices. The challenge of dual roles, such as being a researcher and a therapist, creates potential conflicts of interest. Clearly defining and separating these roles helps maintain ethical boundaries and prevents exploitation or harm to participants. Lastly, incentives and pressures in academic and professional settings may push researchers to produce positive results or align with certain agendas. Resisting such pressures to prioritize the pursuit of truth and knowledge over external incentives is a fundamental ethical responsibility. In conclusion, the ethics of social sciences is an ever-evolving dialogue that requires a commitment to upholding the highest standards of integrity, respect, and responsibility. As this field continues to advance, researchers must navigate the ethical landscape with a keen awareness of the potential impacts of their work on individuals and societies. These principles and challenges serve as a moral compass, guiding social scientists in their pursuit of knowledge.